Have you ever tried to add an image in Excel before and it just covers everywhere and then you needed to adjust, you needed to ensure it fits into a cell? That will not happen anymore. So there is this new Excel function that allows you to actually, add images in cell, and I'm going to be showing you. So let's get started. So you go to the menu bar and click on Insert. I'll advise you click on the cell that you want to add your image. It might be a signature, it might be a picture, it could be anything. Then you navigate to illustrations, then you click on pictures. You can see place in cell or place over cell. So we're looking at place in cell. So I'll go to this device. Then I select my image. That's it. You can see the image just in cell. There's no need to adjust. And you can copy this and paste it in other places. So I'm going to just do a Control C and then I'll paste here as well. And you can see the image is appended right in the cell and you do not need to adjust or, try to fit it into your cell. If this is of value to you, please subscribe, like, and share my video.